MiniMax just dropped M3, and they're making a huge claim, the first open-weight model with 3 frontier skills in one brain: coding, agentic reasoning, and native vision. Big talk. So I didn't just read their benchmarks, I ran it myself. Here's what's actually real. So what is M3? Picture 3 models fused together. It writes code, it plans and uses tools like an agent, and it sees images natively, not bolted on later, built in from the very start. The secret sauce is something they call MSA Sparse Attention. Instead of every token looking at every other token, each one attends to just a chosen few. That cuts the work per token to roughly 120. And that sparsity buys you context. A guaranteed 512,000 tokens, scaling up to 1 million. I confirmed it right on my machine. The model reports 512K with tools, thinking, and vision all switched on. Right now, you run it through Ollama's Cloud, one line Ollama run, MiniMax M3 Cloud, nothing to download. No 8 GB of weights US hosted with 0 data retention. But here's the catch on that word open. Today it is cloud only. MiniMax says the open weights arrive within about 10 days. Until they do, open weight is a promise, not something you can hold yet. Okay, the test, 6 real tasks. I run the model, I run whatever code it writes, and I show you pass or fail, no cherry picking. Let's go. Test 1, tool use. I gave it a weather tool and asked if I should pack an umbrella for Tokyo. It thought called the tool correctly. I handed back the forecast and it closed the loop with a grounded answer. A full agent loop pass. Test 2, long context. I fed it a 6-section brief and buried a sneaky detail in the middle, then asked 3 questions that each needed facts from different sections, plus arithmetic, 3 for 3. It even caught the buried needle. Pass. Test 3, make something beautiful. One prompt, a fractal tree that grows in a single HTML file. One shot, I opened it in a real browser and recorded it. Branches growing, blossoms blooming. 0 edits, it just works. Test 4, real code with real tests. Merge overlapping intervals. I threw 8 cases at its answer, including the trap of mutating the input list. 8 out of 8. Clean. Test 5, let's try to break it. Regular expression matching, that's a LeetCode-hard. It wrote the optimal dynamic programming solution and passed all 13 of my adversarial cases, including the nasty backtracking ones. 13 out of 13. So let's be honest about the upside. As a coder, M3 is the real deal. This isn't autocomplete, it's reasoning its way to correct efficient solutions. Now the honest part, speed on my connection. Single stream I measured about 77 tokens per second, but watch this number, 15 seconds before the first word even shows up, on a simple question. Why? Because M3 thinks a lot. It spent over 9,000 tokens of hidden reasoning just to write a 2 KB file. Brilliant answers, but on easy tasks, you pay for it in latency and tokens. Test 6, the weakness I did find. I asked for strict JSON output with an exact schema. Twice, it wrapped the answer in Markdown and invented its own nested shape. The facts were right, the structure wasn't. I had to spell it out. Raw JSON, these exact keys. Then it nailed it. And don't forget, cloud only today. Your prompts leave your machine, 0 retention, sure, but still off your box. No offline, no air gapped. Not yet. To push it further, I built a little chat app, a Gradio front end wired straight to M3. Real streaming thinking and all. Here it is. Planning a flight booking agent live. So the scorecard, in its favor, genuinely frontier coding, real tool use, a 500K context that actually holds native vision, efficient sparse attention, and 0 setup access. Against it, it overthinks and it's slow to the first token. It needs hand-holding for strict output. It's cloud only for now, and the headline benchmarks are still the vendor's own. So who is it for? If you want a coding and agent brain with massive context, and you find calling a cloud API, M3 is a serious tool. If you need offline, private, or instant, wait for the waits. Everything here was real. The code is in the description. The run command is in the pinned comment. If you like model reviews where I actually run the thing, subscribe. I'm Prompt Engineer. See you in the next one.